Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Here today we have the OnePlus Ace. It's a new series from OnePlus, and we get it today. And you see, they use the standard, the symbolic red box from OnePlus. Very simple and very symbolic box design from OnePlus. So this is the 5G 5G smartphone from Plus and its new series S. So today we will have a very quick unboxing and review video here. And next, let's check what's inside the box. Okay, the things I'm mentioning is that today we got the blue color, and the RAM and ROM is 8 GB plus 128 GB. So it's the basic specification. So let's check what's inside the box. Okay. So after we open the box, we find another slim and very thin package. I think they will include the user manual and also the quick instructions, also the SIM card pin. Okay, so this is the menu and warranty card and pin. Also provide a logo stickers for the fans. You can put it in your Mac or in your smartphone. Yes, very simple design. The logo. Yes, so this is what's inside this small package. Okay, we put it inside and check the other stuff one by one. Okay, so under the package we got a smartphone. Okay, let's put it here, and after the smartphone we get a transparent, not totally transparent. The front part is transparent, but the frame, the side point is blurred, not transparent. Okay, the plastic transparent case. Okay, so it's soft case, not so hard. Okay, so next we have the red cable, type C to type C cable. Yes, red color. And also we have a type C charger. So this time they provide amazing 150 fast charging. I think this is the most powerful charging. Sorry, it's 160 watt super watt charging. So it is the most powerful charging in the market. So this is the cable and the charger. Okay, next let's put the stuff aside and check the smartphone itself. Okay, so this time, so now we get the OnePlus Ace on hand, and this time we have the blue color edition. They provide black and blue, but actually I prefer this one. It's more looks more younger and more beautiful, the color. And we will talk about this phone in several aspects. First, the appearance, then the screen, and the camera, and the processor, and the performance, and the battery, and other details. First, let's go to the appearance. It's totally a new design because it's a new series from OnePlus. So they used a very special, unique design language. As you can see, this is the back cover part, and they divide it into two parts. This one is blurred effect. It's kind of glass material, edge glass, and here is a it's not so flat. There's some lines here. You can check some lines here. Yes, some lines here is not is different. This part is different to this one, and also the camera zone is a very unique, very special camera design. Before, I don't see it in other models, other smartphone brand. So it's a totally new camera zone design. So this is the first version when I got it. The color is beautiful and special color, and the backup is unique. Also the camera part is unique. So this is about the appearance, and also I want to mention is the weight and the size. The weight is very light. It's just only 186 grams. So it's very light, not heavy. Even you hand it in your hand for a long time, if you not feel tired. Also the width of this device is just 8.2 mm, so it's slim, and also the frame is sharp design, round design. It's very comfortable, and also this one and this one and this is not shining. Also the cover is not shining, so both of them keep the very balanced view when you hand it on your hand. This is about the weight and the height of the smartphone is also is easily to control it with your one hand. So this is about the appearance. And next we will check the screen, and this time they use let's try to turn on the smartphone. This time they use a 6.7-inch 2412 and 1080 resolution screen OLED screen. It supports 120 Hz refresh rate, and also it summit the peak brightness is 950 nit. Also it support on the screen fingerprint. So this is about the screen, and also it's 394 ppi in this screen, and it's not a curved screen, it's a flat screen. So this is about the screen, and next is about the camera one. This time you can see they have a triple read camera and one front camera, punch hole camera, and for the real cameras, the main one is 80 megapixel IMX766. It also support OIS, and also the wide angle is 8 megapixel, and also the macro lens is 2 megapixel. So the camera is it's just so it's not flagship, because this time this S series is it's not high end, it's just provide cost effective. Both the price and both the specification view, not too high or not too low. It's a cost effective product from OnePlus. And also the front one is 60 megapixel. Yes, this is about the camera of this smartphone. It's not the flagship specifications. I mean, the camera specifications is not flagship, but it can cover your mainly daily life use, and you cannot ask too much from it, because just the S series is just a cost-effective series from OnePlus, so not too high. So, but it can cover most of your needs. So this is about the camera one. And next is about the processor. This time, this model, the OnePlus Ace, they use the It's the first smartphone that used the MediaTek Dimensity A100 Max processor. So this is the first time to use it, and it also support 5G and also have PDDR5 and UFS 3.1. Also, this time they I think they just want to provide something for the gaming users, so they have a very special cooling system for the cooling system in the smartphone. It's kind of just can cooling the heat, they bring the heat very fast. The cooling system, so it's also very cool. And also the next one is about the battery. This time they have a very fast charging speed on this smartphone. Is the charger which I get is 160 watt. Yes, I can show you. Wait a moment. Fast charger, but yes, as you can see here is 100 and okay, is here is 106 watt super work charger. And also this time they also have a very big battery as well. It's 4,500 big batteries. So 4,500 big battery with the really fast charging. So you no need to worry about the shortage of the battery. So this is about the battery, and also the other details I mentioned is the NFC, the stereo, not dual, the stereo speaker, and also this time they use the is color OS 12.1. After after the Peter Low, I mean the founder of OnePlus, go back to Oppo. Almost all the Oppo, the OnePlus models, they will use the color OS, so I think we can check the smartphone specifications. Okay, here as well you can see it's Android 12. This is Android 12. It's OS. This is about the OS. It's color OS V12.1. Yes, here you can find it. This is about the OS. Also, this is very quick and very simple unboxing video of this model. It's a cost-effective product from OnePlus, and sorry, from the appearance, from the specifications. So it's not the best one, but it's a very good choice for you if you want to choose a middle end product in the market. It's not the best cost effective, but it's really very special one in the market. Unique designs. And okay, so this is today's very quick and very short unboxing video of the OnePlus Ace, and I hope you like this video, and stay tuned and wait for more cool gadgets from here. We will just bring the short or very quick unboxing review videos. We will talk about specifications. Okay, and thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned and waiting more cool gadgets from here, and thanks. Bye bye.